In these problems, we're working on multiples. In this case, multiples of 3 and multiples of 9. Before, we worked with multiples of 5 and 10 and 2, and those are maybe easier. Multiples of 3 sometimes are a little harder for folks. Counting by threes is actually a good thing to practice if you're not great at it yet. See if you can do it. And when you get stuck, just add 3 in your head. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, etc. See how high you can get. In our case here for this problem, we've got to write the next 3 multiples starting with 15. And this is pretty easy to do because you can get the next multiple of any number just by adding that number in each step. So 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. Alternatively, you might know that to get 15, you multiply 3 times 5. That's 15. So the next one would be 3 times 6, and that's 18. And the next one would be 3 times 7, and that's 21. And then 3 times 8, 24, and that matches just what we got here. Let's try this with nines. Nines are maybe even a little bit trickier. And if you're not quite sure on your multiplication facts for 9, you may want to use that finger trick that I showed in a previous video. Or we can just work by adding 9 to each step. That is a foolproof method for finding these multiples. So 45 plus 9 is 54. So that's 54. And 54 plus 9 is 63. And I showed this one time before, but there is a pattern here. So if I list 45, 54, 63, you'll notice this number in the tens is going up by 1, 4, 5, 6. And the number in the ones is going down by 1, 5, 4, 3, and this pattern continues. So the next one, we just go up 1, down 1, and we get 72. And 63 plus 9 is 72. So that's a little bit of work with multiples of 3 and 9.